invest 10 minutes, and you have your breakfast ready for an entire week. Hey guys, my name is Noelle, and how nice that you are watching this video. Unfortunately, my life is incomplete because I am out of overnight oats. So I thought I will film my recipe, my secret recipe, with you guys because I have been eating this for the past 5 years and I'm still not sick of it. It's easy, it's delicious, it's high protein, low calorie, without protein powder, and I make it in this huge Tupperware. Look, it's like it's so big. I'm not the only one eating it because everyone who tried it loved it. So now I have to make it for the entire house. So that's one thing that is not good from this recipe because it's just so good. It's so good. You want to eat it every day. So I already have the ingredients here next to me because I like to put everything mise en place. Mise en place. I am French, I should know this. I think it's mise en place. Are you someone who is grabbing all the ingredients first and then starting, or are you just starting and grabbing it? I like to grab all the ingredients first and then work from there. Are you the same? Let me know. Okay, so because this recipe is freaking delicious, we are going to prep my recipe times 3 because otherwise I have to make it every other day. We're not gonna do that. We don't have time to do that. So we're just gonna prep in bulk. So yeah, I just put you guys on this side. This recipe is for 3 people for an entire week. If you're making this only for yourself, then you can just divide everything by 3. So first we have magere quark. This is low fat quark, 0% fat. This is really high in protein. I use 2.4 kilograms. If you're alone, you only need 800 grams. There is no overnight oats without oats. I put 900 grams of oats. The low fat milk, we put 1.2 liters in this one. You only need 400. I put fresh squeezed orange juice. Don't use orange juice from a box. It's not the same. So many added sugars. I need 360 mLs. I only have 4. So I don't know if we're gonna make it. I use flaverdrops. I'm using Cheesecake. Without it, it's just not the same. Cinnamon, I love cinnamon. It just gives it a really good taste. Those are the only 6 ingredients you need. So we're gonna find out if 4 oranges is enough. How do you call this thing? In Dutch we call it maatbeker, measurement cup. Is it called measurement cup? Oh, no way. No freaking way. Can you see? It's exactly 3.6. Okay, so now we have everything ready. Put this on a scale. We are going to use 2.4. When I make it for myself, I use this size. This is perfect for one person for 1 week. Okay, then we add the oats. So 900 grams. Then we're gonna add the milk, 1200 mLs. And if it's too sticky and too thick, then just add a little bit more milk. So make sure that you keep stirring until the oats and the quark is completely mixed up. I feel like a witch making a soup, like a So when it looks like this, then you are going to add the flavor drops. I like a lot of flavor drops. I don't know, I just eyeball it. I have no idea how many drops this is, like, I don't know, 30? And then we are going to stir it again. And then we add cinnamon. I also use a lot of this. This really gives it the flavor. So I really cover that. I stir it again. This only takes like 10 minutes. And the next morning it's super quick. Just put 250 grams in a bowl. Add your fruit, add some peanut butter, invest 10 minutes, and you have your breakfast ready for an entire week. And then the last thing, orange juice. Okay, and then we're done. My life is complete again because I have this huge mega bulk prep I already look forward to breakfast tomorrow. You may not believe it, but really the best thing is to wake up, know what you're going to eat, and have it ready in 5 minutes. Look at it. No one can put anything in here anymore. Tomorrow morning, I will show you what I put on. I think it's gonna be peanut butter with either strawberry or blueberries, but you will see that in the morning. Good morning, it's currently 8 o'clock. I'm going to make my overnight oats now, and I will show you how quick I make them. It's now 7:85. When I tell you that my breakfast is quick, it is super quick. I put 250 grams and then I like some peanut butter. But heb jij nog die kleine pindakaaspotjes? Zit er nog normale pindakaas bij? Oh, naturel, nice. There, 15 grams. There you go. Done. Literally 1 minute. There's no faster breakfast than this one. I got my coffee. And we're going to the workstation. So good. So delicious. Ja, ik kan zo niet enthousiast doen op camera. Love it. So if you want to make this recipe, I will put the calories and macros in the description, all the ingredients, and don't just watch this video. Also make this recipe. I tell you, it's really easy, it's super delicious. You can put so many different topics on it, so you never get flavor fatigue. If you tried it, then let me know in the comment section what you think of it. Also, if you want to support me, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.